Continue. Proper proper topics for conversation. Like, a family must be mindful of the discussion that take place on the Shabbos Seudah. The main focus should be the topics that befit in the special time. Certainly, no forbidden speech should be uttered. So, in order for no forbidden speech should be uttered, so it cannot just come spontaneously, right? And you say to everybody, yeah, nobody should speak Lashon Hara or some derogatory statement about somebody. It's not going to work. So far, right? So a person must be prepared, whoever is in charge. Is a woman in charge, man in charge, whatever, whoever is in charge, and they must prepare Dvar Torah, right, the words of the Torah, and get everybody involved. So we give children assignments, right? Prepare Dvar Torah, whatever is it, doesn't matter. But you, as an adult, make sure that you're listening and you ask questions, and then you get your children very interested, your children, grandchildren, right? Very, very interested. So of course, the next time they're going to prepare even longer. Right, and that's how kids develop the love for the Torah, so that they get to speak. So they get to speak, and everybody's listening. And same as other people, you have guests. So guests can bring their own book. For example, like they want to read you from their favorite book, Torah book, whatever is it, they can read. Or you yourself, so some people cannot speak. Okay, it doesn't matter. So you cannot speak, but still you can read in your own language or whatever you read. Story of Tzadikim, some read, some like to learn Halachah, some people read, and that's what I personally recommend people. That's what we do in our family. So we read the parasha one time at the meal, and do like a quick commentary, whatever commentary we didn't say last year, so we say this year. Of course, not all of the commentary is going to take forever, but just to honor somebody. Of course, it's not right. Just honor somebody at your family. So somebody, I don't know, whoever you want, get person involved, and everybody listening to the parasha, and then you can comment. Also, like here we go, like I don't know, maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes, depends on parasha, right? It's very interesting. So, but one more time, it cannot be done spontaneously. You have to prepare. So you buy yourself books, and today there are so many books of very many interesting books, like this Alein L'Shabeach of Rabbi Zilberstein, right? So, and it's actually split by parasha. And he's a greatest rabbi, he's still alive, right? He's in Israel, and people came to him like with the craziest, unbelievable questions. So unless it would be put in a book, so you say it's not possible. So, and he collected, or his students collected many of these questions. He actually have several books from several publishing, but this Alein L'Shabeach is from Art Scroll. All right, and it's a very interesting story, very interesting question. Get everybody involved. All right, so don't speak Lashon Hara.